My sweetest Priya Luna, I miss you so much. The holiday is upon us, and finally we can decorate honoring our heritage without arousing suspicions. Things have gotten pretty bleak here. The plague is everywhere. I heal who I can, but I know you're going to tell me it's dangerous. Both Letitia and Yaris have new men in their lives, and they seem really happy. Cherabelle wanted me to ask you if you could research something called the 100 Gex Scrolls. I can't wait to receive your next message. Love, Isadora. Oh, P.S. Say hello to Jasminda for me. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro. My name is Brandyisadora. Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday. I'm so excited to finally share my Halloween room tour with you guys. It definitely has some Sims Realm of Magic vibes. If you know what that is, you're a real one. So let's just go ahead and jump in and see how I turn this into this. So I've already pulled this tub out of the attic. I've been wanting to do this video for so long, and these are all the Halloween decorations that I've accumulated throughout the years. And this glass bottle is literally just a glass bottle with food coloring and iridescent mica, and this is a super cute velour pumpkin. So let's go ahead and clear off any items that I don't really need. I don't really use them that much anyways, they're more decorative. And I'm gonna put on some items that have a more Halloween-y vibe, and again some more glass items with food coloring and mica. Now it's time for crystals, some more crystals, and you can always use more crystals. Joseph, can you hear me?
Hello, darling. I'm here.
I just finished decorating. I wanted to send you a vision of what the room looked like.
Awesome. I'm here. Go ahead and send it through.
Okay. What do you think?
It's definitely Isadora vibes. That's for sure.
I know, Joseph. I am so happy. I love it.
It's great to hear from you. Hope all is well.
Would you say hello to Lady Noons for me? She's terrible with transmissions.
Ah, my apprentice, yes. I'm off to meet her shortly. Enjoy the holiday.
Love and light, Joseph. I hope you guys think the room looks as amazing as I think it does. I used a lot of florals and purple tones to complement the color scheme that I already had in the room. And of course, I used purple because purple is an official spooky Halloween color. I have to be honest, with as lavish as everything looks, I purchased almost everything I used to decorate at different dollar stores, and the few things that I didn't get at dollar stores, I got at Target Dollar Spot, on sale at Michael's, or at a thrift store. So even with my sugar daddies, I am extremely frugal, you guys. I purchase either directly from the manufacturer, from the cheapest source that I can possibly find, and I spent hours looking for sources, or like if it's a service, if there's something that I know I can't live without, I teach myself how to do the service so that I do not have to pay for it. So just in case there's anything that you guys have seen in the video that you guys had your eye on, let's go over where everything came from. Starting with the 99 cent store, they had so many cute things this year, you guys, and so many different themes as well. So starting with this cloche, it's an empty cloche. I put a white doily in it, some fake flowers and string lights, and oh my god, this lantern was only, I think, $5.99, and it's battery powered and it looks like a real fire. This crow, I think, was $1.50. These awesome lights, these 2-pack LEDs, change color, and they are what I used to make this lighting right here and a bunch of the other lighting in this room. These candles with the gorgeous ornate glass design. This gorgeous, well-made Dia de los Muertos carriage is also from the 99 cent store. They had a few different Dia de los Muertos items. This gorgeous candelabra and this purple decanter are also from there. The pink one is from Michael's, and these purple LED lights I used to make this lighting, and this crow, you saw it earlier, also from the 99 cent store. And finally, all of these pumpkins are also from the 99 cent store. From my local thrift store, I got this super cute glass bottle and these amazing amber vintage pharmaceutical apothecary jars. Next is the Target Dollar Spot, and they have so many cute things that I didn't get because they didn't really fit my theme, but I'm still showing them to you guys, like these beautiful books right here and this potion set. But I did get this Spirit Lane sign that I put on top of my mirror on the flowers, and I also got everything you guys see right here, the pumpkins and these gorgeous jars. I just thought they were super, super cute. Now this flame flickering light bulb is actually from Rite Aid, but I bought it at the Dollar King, so that's weird. You could probably find it at Rite Aid though. Next is the Dollar Tree, and I also love the Dollar Tree. So they had a ton of cute things this year. Some of it does look like a little more cheapy party style, but they did have some cute things. This super awesome waterproof submergible tea light candle along with this DIY snow globe are what I use to make the awesome crystal ball that you guys saw in this video. And it was super easy and super fun to make. I also got these flameless tea light candles, this window candle that I use standing not on the window, and these LED lights and these copper wire lights that I use inside of the 99-cent store cloches. The little bats that you see came from this packet of rings. There's also skull rings in here. These purple string lights are still super cute, but they're nowhere near as bright as the LED string lights from the 99-cent store, so I recommend those instead. I clipped these jeweled spider rings onto the florals and scattered them around the room, and finally I intertwined these boas into the florals. I am absolutely loving this for myself right now. So the Magician is a card that expresses someone's willpower and great ability to create. The fact that it's the first card is showing that I am in a place in my life right now where I'm really manifesting and building in my life. The next card will tell me what current obstacles I will face, and pulling the 10 of Cups is amazing. It's like letting me know that there's not really going to be any obstacles, that I'm going into a period of peace and harmony. So the next card is going to tell me what I need to focus on, and it is the 7 of Pentacles, which is basically telling me keep focusing on your work. Just keep working. You're going to reap what you sow. Stay focused. The next card is my past influences, what has gotten me to where I am today, and it is the Knight of Pentacles. And the Knight of Pentacles is a hardworking, very ethical person with their head on their shoulders. And even though it's a male card, I 100% believe this is my mom, who is the most hardworking, honorable person I've ever met in my life. This next card is going to show me my recent past, and I pulled the Queen of Wands but upside down. So this would be a woman who is manipulative, vindictive. She's pretty, but she's selfish, and she uses her beauty to manipulate people and manipulate men. She is insanely fake and self-entitled. Oh, we can totally guess who that is. You know who that is, don't you, Dashi? You 100% can guess who that is. So the next card is going to show me my near future, and I pulled Judgment, which to me signifies that I'm going to have a new beginning and a culmination of all of the hard work that I've been putting in. The next card basically signifies me, my present attitude, and I pulled the Empress, and the Empress is an amazing card. It basically signifies success in like every form. I'm in a place where I know myself, I'm confident in myself. It can also symbolize a great relationship with mother and daughter, which thankfully I have reached and I'm so happy for. The next card is going to tell me my external influences, and I pulled the Ace of Wands, and this is just like perfect. Basically, the universe is telling me that right now I have the personal power to create anything I've ever wanted to do and succeed at it. This next card is going to show me my true mindset right now and where I am emotionally. The Death card in certain situations can mean an actual death, but because it's being pulled as the 9th card, it more likely represents a rebirth. It seems like I'm honestly becoming more self-aware and understanding myself and my true essence. The next card will tell me what my likely outcome will be if I continue on this course. The card that I pulled is the Chariot, and the Chariot is basically the card of success. It shows that I'm moving forward, victoriously accomplishing my goals. You guys have no idea how satisfying this recorded reading was. It's basically validating everything that I've been feeling recently and gives me much needed reassurance that I'm headed in the right direction and I just need to keep going. You guys, this video was insanely fun to make. I had so much fun decorating this year. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to press the like button. It is insanely helpful. So like I said, I've been wanting to record this video for a few years now, but time always flew by and I just always felt like it was just too late into the season. But thankfully that allowed me to collect all of these super cool decorating items. Don't get discouraged if you can't find the exact items that I used at your local stores. At least you know that it does not take super expensive items to beautifully decorate a room. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video.